Hey, welcome back to Cooking with Chef Pa. All right, today what we're we're going to be making a smoothie. All right, my wife want a Cuisinart blender, mixer, processor, food processor type machine. It's small and it is cordless. All right, so without further ado, let's get to blending. All right, let's go with ingredients. 2 ingredients. That's all it takes. I got some almond milk, vanilla, and I have from Walmart cherry berry blend of fruit. All right, and this right here is a wonderful invention Cuisinart did. It's a it's a cordless blender. All right, it does everything. But right now, you see the lights. It's being charged right now, but it's fully charged. But this is the thing about it. It won't let you turn it on because it's plugged in. It's meant to be used without the cord. So, and what I mean, you pull the cord, and there you go. Because it wouldn't work with the cord. So what we're going to do, it comes with a cup, blending cup, and also for a carry, it also comes with a lid. Put on top and the carry and go. All right, so what we're going to do, remove this top here. All right, let's cut this bag open. Oh, it has a resealable bag. That's very nice. Rip it off. Didn't even need the scissors. Scissors back. All right. So let's get some berries in here. Don't want to make a mess. Fill it up. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Caught that. All right. Down the way. Now we're going to add some almond milk to it. Vanilla. Get the cap off here. All right. Cap off. And let's get it up in here. I'll fill it right above the rim there. Above the fruit. Let's get our top back. That was a rookie mistake. Ouch. That hurt me. That hurt me. That did hurt me. All right, so we get it in and a little shake here and there. And it's portable. I mean, that's what it's meant for. All right, so let me stop it. Turn it off here, put this out the way. I'm gonna need some more almond milk in here, but I'm not gonna stab myself again. That's a no-no. There we go. Tastes good already. Lock and load. And just let it blend up. Oh, that thing really hurt me. That's all my fruit. Shut it down. Let's see what she looks like. Oh, that is so good. That is so good. You know what? I'm going to fill it up. There we go. That's enough almond milk there. Oh, my God. That's so good. Nice little blend. Let me get that cleaned up here. Very good, very good. Here we go. This is done. Get that out of the way. Where's my top? Holy crap, that is so good. Well, I know I'll be drinking healthy drinks from now on because that is damn delicious. All right. If y'all guys like this video, you'll like this Cuisinart, you can probably pick it up on Amazon. Like I said, my wife won this in a contest. All right. It's a wonderful invention by Cuisinart. All right. But like I said, I used vanilla almond milk. And you can use any berry types, fruits you want. Pineapple, grapes, whatever. All right. So if you like this video, give me thumbs up. Subscribe. Ring that bell. Tell your friends about Cooking with Chef Buff. And I will see y'all guys definitely on the next video. Bye.